guys, welcome to vtishacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve an example on remainder theorem. So here we have factorize x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. So first let us consider the given polynomial as f of x, and let us assume x minus 1 is a factor, then the remainder would be f of 1, and replace x with 1. So we get here 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 1 minus 3. So therefore this would come as 1 cube as 1 plus 3 minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So 3 plus 1 would be 4 minus 4, and 4 and minus 4 get cancelled and we get the remainder as 0. Since f of 1 is equal to 0, then we can say that x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Let us divide the f of x with x minus 1 and find the quotient. So we get here x minus 1 as a divisor, and the dividend here is x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. Here we have the first term of the dividend as x cube and the first term of the divisor as x. So by dividing we get here x cube by x. So here by simplifying we can cancel our x in the denominator, and in the numerator x square remains, and this would be the first term of the quotient. Now let us multiply x square with the divisor x minus 1. X square into x would be x cube, and x square minus x would be minus x square. And now let us subtract, and here the additive inverse of x cube would be minus x cube, and the additive inverse of minus x square would be plus x square. So we observe that the first two terms x cube and minus x cube get cancelled, and by adding the second terms 3x square and x square we get 4x square. Now let us bring the next term minus x down, and we get the new dividend as 4x square minus x. Here we have the first term of the new dividend as 4x square. Let us divide it with the first term of the divisor x. So by simplifying, x and x get cancelled in the numerator and denominator, and plus 4x remains, and this would be the second term of the quotient. So now let us multiply 4x with the divisor x minus 1. So 4x into x would be 4x square, and 4x into minus 1 would be minus 4x. So let us subtract these polynomials. Here the additive inverse of 4x square would be minus 4x square, and the additive inverse of minus 4x would be plus 4x. 4x square and minus 4x square get cancelled, and by simplifying minus x plus 4x would be 3x. Now let us bring the constant term minus 3 down. We get the new dividend as 3x minus 3. Now let us divide the first term of the new dividend with the first term of the divisor. We get 3x divided by x. Here we can cancel our x in the numerator and denominator, and we get plus 3 as the third term of the quotient. Let us multiply 3 with the divisor x minus 1. We get 3 into x as 3x, and 3 into minus 1 would be minus 3. So now let us subtract, and here the signs of 3x and minus 3 get changed as minus and plus. So both the terms 3x minus 3x and minus 3 plus 3 would get cancelled, and we get the remainder as 0. So we get the quotient as x square plus 4x plus 3. So by factor theorem we have here f of x is equal to q of x into x minus a. So f of x is here nothing but x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3 is equal to, the quotient here is x square plus 4x plus 3, and x minus a, that is a factor, would be x minus 1. So now let us factorize this. We know the factorization method begins with multiplying the quotient of x square with the constant term. So by multiplying 1 with 3 we get 3, and by adding these factors we get 3x plus x. So let us write this as x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 into x minus 1. So let us take x as a common factor from first two terms. We get x into x plus 3, and let us take here 1 as a common factor from the remaining terms. We get 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 1. And again here let us take x plus 3 as a common factor. We get x plus 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. So we get the factors of the function f of x as x plus 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an example on the remainder theorem. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vtishacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.